This is where this is how they do with the suet. This little guy has about 8 or 10 friends that come over here. Blackcap chickadees don't seem to go in there too much, but they were tapping at the window earlier. And right above him, the blackcaps are all eating the seeds. There's that little guy comes in here and chases everybody away. He's the one that was beaten at the window earlier. And we got the blackcaps that sit up here. They come up, fly in, grab, and fly away. Some of them go down there and get some of the suet as well. I was hoping while I was in Florida these little guys wouldn't starve to death, but I was a little bit worried they might. But now that I'm back, you see the tree has rebloomed. Anyway, that's just about it. Give you one more little piece of him down here beaten away. Not sure. I think he's some type of a woodpecker, but I'm not sure. Anyhow, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. This is January 10th. (2010). Got one of the bigger guys up here eating seeds now. Of course, I have the tube feeder up above it with another suet there. The woodpecker usually uses that one almost exclusively. That's all woodpecker damage. Anyway, comes another one back. Interesting. There's a pair of these in here, 2 or 3 of them actually. Did a good job of pecking them there. Back again. We looked these guys up in a book, so I know exactly who they are. There we go. One guy's going in there for some more of the suet from up top. He's got a lot of orange in his skirt there. You see a lot more of it when they're hanging up there because I guess they have to stretch their wings some. Not very windy out there today. But, I like the way they hold it between their feet. And pick the seed out, it almost fell off. There's a little black cap. Waiting for his turn down there in the dish. Those are sunflower chips in the tube. They haven't been eating too much of that. They've been eating more of the regular bird seed down here and the suet and fruit. Anyhow, that's what the place across the street looks like. I don't know, you can't see it too well, but it's a lot of, I can't focus with this thing. Doesn't work well for the focusing at distance once you're on macro. So this is how I know they're here. These guys start banging and I can hear them. Stuff's frozen pretty hard. It's about 20 degrees out there today. This is the evening feeding. That's probably about all that'll fit on there, so I don't want to get it too big because people get bored. Anyhow, have a great day, everyone.